What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this rugged tablet from Cubot. This is Cubot Tab KingKong, and yeah, this one is the most favorite rugged tablet at this moment. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing, we will check the specifications and we will go through a very detailed review. But before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, this Cubot Tab KingKong comes in a pretty nice packaging. Cubot has printed some specifications at the rear part of the box. Yeah, this one runs on Android 13 out of the box. That's a great thing. This one is powered by octa-core Helio P60 from MediaTek. This one has 256GB of ROM, 8GB of RAM, and we can extend that up to 8GB. So we have access to 16GB of RAM. 10.1-inch FHD Plus IPS LCD panel with a very good 1200 by 1920 resolution. We can also use TF card or microSD card to expand our storage. It's great that we can use up to 1TB of microSD card. And there is another thing which has made me so happy is its rear camera setup. Yeah, this one comes with a single sensor at the rear. That's a 16 megapixel sensor. But yeah, the performance of this rear sensor, we will talk about that later. Well, this one also comes with a massive 10,600 mAh battery, which offers a very long battery life. After opening the top lid, here is our Cubot Tab KingKong. Underneath the tablet, there are a lot of things. The first thing is a thank you card, there is a quick start guide, there are some other paperwork like compliance regulation, warranty card, this and that. There is a SIM ejector tool, a very good quality one. Cubot has also provided a USB-A to USB-C premium quality charging cable, a USB-A to USB-C dongle, and a 18-watt charger. Yeah, this is a USB-A based charger, but the build quality of this 18-watt charger is really premium. I must say, Cubot always offers a very high quality set of accessories inside the box. Alright, this is our Cubot Tab KingKong tablet. Even if this is an affordable and budget tablet, this Cubot Tab KingKong has a very good build quality. This one is built with polycarbonate and metal. Yeah, the rear panel has a very nice design. This one has a premium quality polycarbonate coating. You don't even feel that this is a rugged tablet because in hand this one feels so very silky smooth, and the metal frame is hidden under the reinforced unibody, so this one has a very durable and sturdy build quality, and at the same time you'd feel like this is a premium flagship class device in hand. I like the button placement of this Cubot Tab KingKong. While held horizontally, the power button and the volume rockers both are on the top left corner, and there is a dual slot SIM tray on the top right corner. One slot is for the SIM and another slot is for the microSD card. There are two speakers on the bottom part of this tablet, when held horizontally, but when held vertically, the speakers are actually on the left side. While held horizontally, the microphone is on the left side and there is nothing on the left side other than this microphone. There is a USB-C port and a 3.5mm port located on the right side. Yeah, one more time, when it's held horizontally, this is on the right side, but when it's held vertically, this one goes at the bottom. I like the rear camera block. It looks much more fancy and classy. This one looks pretty subtle, yet yeah, offers a very good performance. In terms of build quality, Cubot Tab KingKong definitely will get 10 out of 10, and I would also give 10 out of 10 for outlook and appearance, because I believe this one is the most beautiful rugged tablet that I have ever used. The most important part of a tablet is its display panel. Cubot Tab KingKong is equipped with a 10.1-inch FHD Plus IPS LCD panel, and even if this is a LCD panel, this display panel reproduces vivid and vibrant colors. Black is truly dark, white is super bright, and altogether, this one offers a very natural color output. I have enjoyed watching movies on this tablet for hours after hours, because this 10.1-inch FHD Plus LCD panel actually offers crisp and clear picture quality with sharpness, and as this one has a very nice 1200 by 1920 resolution, altogether this display panel is more than what I have expected from this tablet. I would say Cubot Tab KingKong is a very good budget tablet for media consumption because this one also has all the standard display features and offers eye comfort along with improved work efficiency. I have already mentioned Cubot Tab KingKong is equipped with a dual speaker setup. Let's listen to some music and check the sound quality of this tablet. Personally, I'm impressed by the sound quality of this Cubot Tab KingKong.
Just come for you should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in line to always look over your shoulder.
I never take photos with a tablet. I feel that's pretty awkward. But after I have tried to take a few photos with Cubot Tab KingKong, I have decided to do a side-by-side comparison. After checking a few photos side-by-side with some other tablets, I'm truly surprised by the quality. I don't know, is it due to the stock camera algorithm or due to Cubot's own optimization? But whatever Cubot has done, they have done it well. I cannot believe how Cubot can extract such a great performance from a mediocre 16 megapixel sensor. Yeah, this is the question that most of the people asks me. Can we play games on a tablet, especially on a rugged tablet? Yeah, even if Cubot Tab KingKong is a rugged tablet, this one offers a very good gaming experience because this rugged tablet from Cubot comes with Helio P60 SoC, which is an octa-core processor and offers a very good in-game experience. I have played graphics-intensive games for hours after hours. I did not see any lagging or any hint of thermal throttling. I need to mention, I have even enjoyed playing games on this Cubot Tab KingKong when I feel like gaming on other rugged tablets is like torture. Cubot Tab KingKong offers buttery smooth in-game experience and this amazing display panel. Yeah, altogether, the whole gaming session is more than delightful. Cubot Tab KingKong is equipped with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo AGPS navigation system. That means this tablet is also good for navigation and accurate positioning. As it is a rugged tablet, we can take it to anywhere with us, and yeah, this one is a very good companion for all type of outdoor activity. Cubot Tab KingKong comes with the latest Android, that's Android 13. So we are already updated and upgraded, and Cubot also offers a few years of updates, so we are almost future proof. Okay, Cubot Tab KingKong. Yeah, this one comes with a 10,600 mAh massive ludicrous, I should say. This battery offers 450 hours of standby time. I didn't have enough time to test that, but what I have managed to test is this one offers insane, almost 22 hours of calling time, 10 hours of video playback, and 5 hours of continuous gaming. Wow, this is amazing battery performance. Definitely, screen on time varies depending on LTE, Wi-Fi, and screen brightness. The truth is, it took me 7 days to drain the battery on this Cubot Tab KingKong. I have managed to extract 8 hours of web surfing on Wi-Fi, and yeah, I think this is already phenomenal performance. Cubot Tab KingKong is a rugged tablet. I have mentioned that many times, and this one comes with IP68 and IP69K rating, which is designed to withstand all different type of environments and scenarios. This one is dust-proof, waterproof, and shock-proof. Yeah, as this one comes with IP69K rating, this one has exceptional resistance against high-pressure water and steam. And I believe this one is the ultimate rugged companion for extreme outdoor activities. Well, that's all about this Cubot Tab KingKong. Like the name, yeah, this one is one of the most durable rugged tablet that actually performs in real life. And considering its price, this one offers a great value for money. Well, I have left a link of the product in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead, check that. If you have liked this video, don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.